I like to use a rice cooker because it's fast, efficient, and quick, and easy to do. Pretty much, you plug it in, and it comes out. A bowl comes out in it. You put your rice in the bowl. You can wash the excess rice into the rice cooker. The only hard part is getting the measurements right for the rice. What my mom taught me is you add water to it for a little while and see where it comes to. What you do is you put your finger in where your top of your finger touches the top of the rice, and then let the water hit your first line or first knuckle. So when I do that, it shows that the water hasn't hit, so I need to add a little bit more water. And that's how you do it. You have to touch the top of the rice to the tip of your finger, not your tip of your finger to the bottom of the bowl. So once that is done, you put the rice in the rice cooker. Standard rice cookers, you just have to push the button and it says rice cook, and you're done. You have to wait. It takes usually about 30 minutes or so. Good fried rice is made with day-old rice. You could cook it 24 hours in advance, put it in the refrigerator, and let it harden, and let all the water evaporate so that it becomes a hard type of rice. Because what you're doing is when you're cooking it, you're putting liquids back in the rice to make it softer. And what you do not want to do is have the rice really mushy when you're cooking it.